Hello, how are you guys? Good afternoon to all of you. Time check, it's 5:42. 5:42 in the afternoon, so it's almost 6 o'clock. So for today, this afternoon, I'm going to feed the troops, Cowboys squad. As you see, they are waiting. Hey troops, how are you? Tawoy. Where's Puti? Puti. Tawoy gets inside. Now I'm gonna give them the cat food. Yes, this one is Majesty. Yeah, this one. This one's Pataka Boy. So there are 4 plates for the troops. There it is. Takaboy. Alright. The troops are now eating this afternoon. And that is Puti. This is Mother Cat. And this is David. Oh, there's a new one. Hold on one. Oh, David. You don't like it? Ay, ganyan. Hold on, ito one. I'll give some police. There you go. Ming! Can you read? Come on. She's scared. No, this is not for you. Oh, she is not. There's the troops here. Alright. Yes. The newbie one is not eating. First, I guess it is afraid. Enjoy eating, little one. Yeah, you might be wondering who creates the noise when I'm feeding the other stray cats. This little one. Yes. Hey, little one, come on. Say hello. Yes, this little one. My nephew saved it from the garbage. Yes, this has been thrown in the garbage. That's why my nephew pick it and save it. And now we're taking care of it. Yeah. So this is the one who creates a noise when I'm doing some stuff for the stray cats. So we're ready, guys.